guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys really quickly these washi stickers. I got these as a gift from my brother for my birthday because he knows how much I love Bible journaling. So I wanted to open these up to show you guys. They are washi stickers from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. In here comes like different kind of like sets of washi stickers. I can't wait to open each one and show you guys what comes inside, but they each have kind of like a little theme and they're just so beautiful. I can't wait to open them up. Let's see what else. Looks like we have flowers and this one. Let's see how many this brings. Total, there are 8 different little packets of these that have washi stickers with different themes. So 8 of them. Like I said, they are from Amazon. So I'll leave that link in the description below in case you are interested in purchasing them. But I am going to go ahead and do a quick time lapse of all of the different little packets and themes that it brings so that you guys can see them, and then we will test them out. Alright, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is quite a bit amount of washi stickers, and so I just wanted to point that out. This one brings 40 pieces. I'm not sure if they all bring 40. Yep, it looks like the rest of them bring 40. So you get quite a bit of washi stickers. So yeah, I wanted to point that out. 40 stickers per theme. Let's do the math. Basically get 320 washi stickers. That is not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back so I can quickly run through the rest of them so that you guys can see. So another thing that I wanted to point out is, let's pick up this one because this one's so beautiful, you guys. It comes like on a translucent kind of sticker paper, and it feels like it has like a matte finish to it, so it's not like a shiny finish, but I think they're so beautiful. I mean, just look at this. This is perfect for any of you guys that want to create a design in a simple, quick, and easy way. This is perfect. Look how beautiful. Definitely make a full design on a page with using these washi stickers, and you could also totally use these if you're more of a journaler, so for journaling, because they are a pretty good size. You know, they're nice and small. I mean, I have small fingers, and you know, they're nice and small where they can fit pretty much anywhere. So for journaling in your journals or for Bible journaling, they're perfect. So can't wait to open this purple one. What can I say? I'm a girly girl. I love purple and pink. Feeling this is also going to be another favorite. regular washi tape looks like. They're just different kind of washi tapes that I have on hand. They come in different colors, shapes. Shapes, by shapes I mean these are washi little petals, which I haven't used before, but I am looking forward to using them. They're really pretty. But if you haven't worked with washi tape before, let's see how I would describe. I think the best way I would describe washi tape is almost like if it was painter's tape, like that look how pretty that petal that tape that you use like when you're painting. It sticks to the surface of the wall, but it's not like it's going to peel off the paint, or it's not going to be so sticky where it's hard to remove. Same thing here with washi tapes. Some of them, I will admit, are harder than others to remove, so be aware because it can rip your paper. But as you can see, I used this really thin piece of washi tape, and if you wanted to remove them from your Bibles or journals, you should be able to remove them with ease without you know, ripping your paper. But like I said, do be careful because it can happen. So that's, I think, the best way I can describe washi tape. I have a whole video, I can leave that in the description below. Different ways that you can use washi tape in your Bibles or journals, so definitely check that out. I'll leave that on the description below. So this is regular washi tape. Now we're gonna try these washi stickers, and I'm just interested in seeing whether it's gonna be the same as washi tape. I guess we will find out. Let's see. It's a little difficult for me because I have nails. Able to finally get it out. So it definitely feels like washi tape, that sticky, not so sticky kind of feel. And look at that. And I kind of folded the corner here. That was me. But it is really thin, you guys. And it definitely feels like washi tape. So here's another one. And they're really, really thin. Once you take it off of this, the back part of it, the back part is really like sturdy, like plastic kind of thing, material. But once you remove it, it's really, really thin, like washi tape. I just kind of want to layer it here and see. Sorry, my kids making noise in the background. So not sure if you guys can see this. I tried a couple more here, but they're just so thin. And excuse my hands, I got some ink on it trying to create a Bible journaling page that I posted on my Instagram. So yeah, it's so thin, and I just really like them. They really have that washi tape kind of feel. So I'm also wondering if it'll peel back off like washi tape, like normal washi tape. So let's see without crinkling my paper too much. Yep, look at that. It does come off easily, just like washi tape should come off. So yeah, they work great, you guys. For me, 10 out of 10. I love them. Okay, so that concludes the washi sticker unboxing and testing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As I stated before, they are from Amazon, and they are really affordable for the amount it brings. 320 washi stickers, and they're so beautiful, as you guys can see, as you guys saw in the video. Very artistic washi stickers, and they work just the same. Definitely love them, and I can't wait to use them in my future Bible journaling pages. And guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.